Oh, hello guys. Today I'm just gonna go ahead and shooting my gun here, and this gun kind of have a bit of a fun design because you can actually making this gun look like it look like a phone at first, but in reality it was actually a toy gun. And yeah, and I also already loading a bullets in here. Yep. And this is a time for shooting a target here. Let's go. Okay guys, time to shoot a target here. Yeah, boy. Yep, time to load some more bullets. Yep, it's time to reloading this gun again. There we go, here's the reloading place, and here's the bullets here. Yep, and also, let's gun time again. Alright, let's go. Ah, dang, I missed the target. Alright, it's okay. Let's try this one shooting target again. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Okay, there we go. I already reload my guns here. Yep, good. And then now let's go ahead and try to aim the target here. Okay, good one. Let's go. Oh yes, I think I'm recording. Okay, yep. Okay, time to aim a target right over there. Okay. Okay guys, now let's just go ahead and shoot this one more time to see if I'm really good at shooting a target here. Alright, let's go. Oh, good. Okay, one more load. Right over here, this is a target I'm gonna shoot, and let's just reload it one more time. Guys, this is all the gun, and this is all the bullet casing I just literally dropped off. I literally dropped it off in the box. And this is honestly where I look, and this is the target I already shoot. So I guess maybe if you really wanted a gun that looked like this, where it's just kind of started off looking like a phone, but in reality it's a toy gun. If you guys want a gun like this, you would definitely buy it at Shopee, Temu, or Lazada. Though I guess especially Shopee though. Anyways, guys, give a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you think which one is your favorite toy gun. Like, is it Nerf, Airsoft, Gel Blasters? I didn't care. Give a like and subscribe if you love this video. Peace out.